Having you an accent. Welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha. Today I'm going to teach you English and Somali. I love you all. I love you people. I love my viewers. Thank you for supporting me. Aniwa kuchela hae kuli aniwa kuchela. You are welcome back. Sodowo kuli sodowo. First word bilau, fox, duwaho. Fox, duwaho in Somali. Name Magaha. Adi Magaha. What's your name? Adi Magaha. Toss, sul. Plate, sahan. Shoes, kavo. Guri or home. Guriyo, home, house. Guriyo, apple that we eat. Tufah, Somali, tufah. Oranges, lean or limo. Oranges, bodoni limo, lean halhab. Bucket, you used to carry water. Baldi, bucket, baldi. Eye, this one my eye. Il, mouth, mouth. Somali, af. Mango. Somali, ambo. Potato. Somali, barado. Tomato. In English and Somali, nyanyo halahab. And face, this is my face, it's waji. Face, waji. Mattress, when you sleep, you sleep very, very well comfortable. It is called jodari in Somali. Slice that you for bread, mkate yani. Slice, roti we call it. Jero, when you have cut the slice of bread. Then we have baby. This is my baby. Kan unug keiga. Baby is unug ama yero. But some of the Somali, they call them warrior. Warrior is not good. We call the baby unug. My baby unug keiga. Your baby unug kaga. Body. This is my body. It's called jirka. Jirka is my body. Chameleon. If you don't know chameleon in Somali language, it's called chirole. Chameleon, chirole. It changes its color from blue, yellow, gudud, hagar, madhu, kas, chirole. Then you have contactor, makanga. In Somali, they say beba na mia, beba na mbao, taoni mbao. They're called soy. Yeah, soy matahana. Those people, they are in the cars or outside the vehicle. They're called soy. Or krish boy. Soy iyo krish boy. They are conductors. Ama makanga. Then we have basket, dambil. You used to carry oranges or food. If you want to say, give me the basket, you can say, dambil isi, dambil ken. I love you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Ciao. Mwah.